Thanks again for tuning in to Terry Ogle's Adventure Channel. Today I'm going to do some grilling tips, but first I want to let you know that we do have a couple more trips coming up, which is it's going to be Gulf Shores in August, and then in September we're going to be going to Dominican Republic. So them are a couple trips that we got coming up. Plus we got a couple plans to do some stuff around the Nashville, Tennessee area. And today I want to show you smash burgers my way, or Terry's way. And I love these burgers cooked this way because they hold their flavor and they're very tasty. And let me get into showing you how I do them. First off, some equipment you need a griddle. And I usually fire up the grill and get it going like I do my steaks, if you've seen my steak video. And just put your griddle on there after your grill gets nice and hot, and put her on there and let it get hot. You also will need a good spatula, a wide or a long spatula. That way you'll be able to flip them burgers, and something heavy to push down on it. I got a cast iron thing here that I use, but you can use anything that it's heavy and you can hold and push down on it with. And today we're going to do I'm going to do double cheese smash burgers. What you want to do is get a little weight measure and put it on ounces, and you want to roll them up into balls. I usually do between 5 and 6 ounces a burger, and just weigh them out. 5.15, close enough. And what you want to do is roll it up into balls. And there we go, put these on the grill. After you get your griddle nice and hot, I got it's up to 700 degrees, just like I tell you in my steak video. You want to sear it. When we put these on there, we want to sear them. That way it locks in all the juices. You just take them and just sit the balls on there. This is where we get the term smash burgers from. You want to take your spatula and smash them down. Then I'll season them, and of course I use Mrs. Dash because they're salt free. smash. Yeah. And I'll give them a couple minutes. If you want to make sure there's a good crust on the other side of them.
Okay.
Then a couple minutes and there's the crust you want on the one side. And then I'll go ahead and smash them again. Also, I'm not going to show you in this video, but if you want to saute your vegetables and stuff, what I usually do is I'll push these burgers over to the side and I'll put all my vegetables and stuff in this hamburger grease that's already here and saute them up. But we're going to give this another minute and then we're going to put cheese on. 30 seconds to a minute after I flip them over, and then I'll put the cheese on. They're basically already done when you flip them over. And then we'll give that 30 seconds or so and let that shoot down, let the cheese melt down. We'll shoot this down and then we'll put them on buns. That's literally been probably 20 seconds or so. So now we want to put these double cheeses on the buns. And we'll go ahead and show you the garnishments we put on it. Regular garnishments is what we usually use, is onion, lettuce, tomato. And personally, this is my special sauce. I use a Thousand Island dressing on them, and it makes them taste good. Couple slices of onion and a leaf of lettuce. We'll put her on there like so. And there you have it. Terry Ogles smash burgers. Smash burgers, Terry Ogles way. Thanks for watching. This is my second grilling video. And I have all kinds of stuff on my channel, traveling and everything that you can think of, just about on the channel. And everybody has subscribed. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers one day, but then maybe eventually I'll get there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Got any comments? Go ahead and leave them. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching.